Morning, guys. I came here to make a little update on the string and the float value situation. This only occurs when a problem in input values. For example, let's comment out all of these samples in the previously mentioned video first. Say, let's say I want to print out my name, input name, uh, name. It will assign to name variable. And I want to provide my weight. Wait. Okay. Now let's say that works or not. Name. Say my name is MMEC. Weight is 80.88. Yeah, it works. Now let's see what the issue when it occurs. In this case, let's say constant value, constant and some value, generic value, which is 2, and let's say real weight, my real weight is not a real equation. Let's be clear first. Let's multiply weight by 2. Print your real weight say let me see 34 your real weight. Now you see an issue because it's been not casted properly, so it's going to concatenate. Let's to cast it properly. I mean, you have to convert this weight to, let's say in this case, I'm not sure whether the entered weight value is float value. I assume it's a float value. So assuming that it's been entered as a float value, let's try to convert it to a float value in here. So input integer value. I don't know whether it's a float value. I think it's an integer value, but in reality, I'm inputting a float value. Say now, when it's changed, you have to change this to string literal as well. Otherwise, it won't print out this string literal, because if one of the values is not string, let's run this and let me see. It is 34.56. Yeah, it's an error. Why is that? I have entered a float value, but this tried to convert it to an integer value. So in return, it was an error. So what we are going to do is simply we can change this to float and everything will be fine. Say 45. Yeah, it works like a charm. This is how it performs, and if you have any question, please make sure to answer. Sorry, please make sure to ask. I'm a bit sleepy and I might blabbling some random words, so don't worry about that. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any suggestions, please make sure to comment down. Thank you.